Hello friends, this is tutorial number 93 in these Java programming language tutorials. In a previous tutorial we created abstract class of car with couple of methods, the same methods that we used in the interface application, and also we created in three identical classes BMW, Mercedes and Audi, and in all of these classes extends the abstract class of car, and we in all classes we implemented all of the methods. Now let's create a class with application. In this let's create a new class. It will be application, and it will gonna have the main method. Okay, and we need to display all of three cars with all of the characteristics the same way as we did with interface. Okay, we need the car. Car 1 will be equal to new BMW. Okay, and we need all of the fields. Car1.brand. All of these fields are abstract. Car1.model. Okay, we need car1.performance. Okay, car1.acceleration. Here semicolon. Car1. We need fuel consumption. Okay, and car1. We need a maximum speed. Okay, here fuel consumption, it can be together. Okay, it will be acceleration. It is better to be together. First acceleration and after that maximum speed, and first we will gonna have a fuel consumption. It doesn't matter, but okay. And let's first we need a couple of stars, and let's create another car. Car 2 will be equal to new Mercedes. Okay, and let me just copy this. Let's copy and let us paste, and we will change all of these fields to car 2. Okay, let's create a third car. Car 3 will be equal to new Audi. Okay, and let us paste. Okay, and we will need all to change to car 3, all of the fields. Okay, and we forgot a couple of stars. Let's put couple of stars to separate it, to be more readable. Okay, and let's try to run this application, but first we need to move it up so we can see better. Okay, as you can see, we have all of these cars, three cars. BMW with its own characteristics, Mercedes, and we have Audi also. Okay, the same thing. It's completely the same as we have in the application with interface, but now we have the same situation. We got information. Okay, all of these cars have a red color. All of these cars are manufactured 20 year of manufacture is 2015, and all of these cars have manual transmission. Okay, and we need to write it. Okay, let's start. we will go back to the car application. Okay, it will also, the methods will be void, and first we need a color. Void color will be now, and we can use, as you can see, this method requires a body instead of a semicolon, but and let's give it a body. Okay, and what we're gonna do, we will need a string color will be equal to red, because all of these three cars have the red color. And we will simply print it, system out print line color plus color. Okay, and let's continue. We will need void transmission okay, and it will be a method, and let's string transmission will be equal to manual, and let's print it, system out print line transmission and plus transmission. Okay, it is a void method, doesn't return any value, and we will have the same thing. We will have age of the car, like we did in the interface application. We need the body, and we will have first integer year of manufacture is 2015. Okay, and integer current year will be equal to calendar dot get instance dot get and field will be calendar dot year. Okay, and integer car age will be equal to current year minus year of manufacture. Okay, and let's print it, system out print line. It will be year, first will be year of manufacture plus year of manufacture. Okay, and let's print, system out print line, age of the car plus it will be car age. Okay, and let's save it to see what will happen. Okay, let's Control Shift and F and Control and S to save. As you can see, but remember the situation when we did it with interface. We had just a second, we had in all in BMW implementation of in all of these three classes we had an error. But as you can see now, we in this BMW and Mercedes and Audi we don't have any error. And let's try to run application again. I will show you. As you can see, we have no it's all the same. And that is difference between interface and abstract classes. All of the methods, you can see all of the methods in interface. Now I will put it back. When you have the interface, all of the methods needs to be implemented. And in abstract class, all of the methods can be implemented, but it can be from 0% to 100%. And in interface, methods in interface needs to be implemented 100%. And that's the key difference between interface and abstract classes. Now, but and now if we want, we don't need to change here. We can close this class Mercedes BMW. But now we want to display that, and simply we change this. We have new methods, and all of these methods we can call from the main class. Okay, we have a color, here it is, and we have the transmission, and we have a car1 age of the car, and we will do the same thing we will gonna do for the rest, for the other cars. Here we need to change car2. And also here we will do the same thing. It will be car3. Okay, and now we will just save it. Control Shift and F and save. And let's run the application. We will let's run it again. Okay, as you can see, we have this is a BMW, characteristics of the BMW. Okay, color red, transmission is manual, year manufactured 2015, age of the car is 5. As you can see, the same thing. Here in the Mercedes is the same thing. Also Audi the same thing. Now we just can play, for example, for the just let me put it back. If we change the year, okay, it can be if it will be 18 or 11, it can be 11, why not? And we save it, and if we run application, we change it in all of cars. Okay, as you can see, in all of the cars, if year of manufacture is 2011 and age of the car is 9, and now you know how to use calendar. It's it's not difficult, and you know the key difference between interface and abstract classes. And now you probably think the abstract class is better. Okay, for me it is, but if you now ask me what we will use more in the future, the response will be interface, and you will see you will work more with interface, especially in Spring Framework. But okay, we still need to do a lot of things before Spring Framework. But the most important thing now, we know the key difference. Let me just put this back. between abstract classes and interface. Okay. I really hope that you like my video. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Twitter and Instagram. You have links in the description. And see you in the next tutorial.